Race with us. Thank you very much. Captain.
Day 4 started with the award ceremony, and finally we made it to place 5 of 5 participants. So here you see me being very proud of my team. So now we had time and we could go for just some enjoyable sailing. What's the story today?
Unfortunately, we haven't started today's race because of the high winds. We feel 13 knots and more today, so the second day race cancelled. But we just would like to continue the training, and we are happy to that high winds. So we are sailors. It makes the motivation to us.
What we got here is the healing. The more we are sideways, the more we are healing. Can this boat technically flip?
Well, it depends who's driving. We could do anything if you try hard enough. That's what Tony Robbins said.